to the micro-credential course Creating a Dual Language Picture Book. Well, everyone, I hope that you are looking forward to taking this course because this course is going to be enlightening and refreshing. As the name suggests, in this micro-credential course, we are going to learn how to create a dual language picture book, especially English and Indonesian languages. And to equip you with the knowledge and skills in creating the picture book, we are going to learn about what the picture book is. As you know that there are a lot of types of picture book, and in this micro-credential course, we are going to focus on picture storybook. And since picture book is usually used for children aged 3 to 7 years old usually, the picture books are usually composed of pictures and story. That is why the pictures here are going to be the unique characteristic of the book, which is designed in an entertaining and engaging way. And when we are talking about the story, everybody, of course, this is going to be the major challenge in this picture book, because a good or interesting illustrations is nothing without a good story. That is why on the second module, we are going to learn about writing a short story. And when we are writing a short story for a picture book, this is something different when we are writing a short story for different purposes, because when we are creating a storybook, especially the picture book, we need to understand how many pages we are going to make. That way we can think about the compositions of the story, whether it's going to be made for 8 pages or maybe 12 pages or maybe 16 pages or more pages of multiple of 4. And then once we are done creating the short story, we are going to move on to idioms and collocation. Do you know that idioms and collocations are language elements added to the short story to provide natural language expressions? Because idioms and collocations are naturally used by native speakers in everyday conversations and dialogues with your neighbors, friends, and other people. That is why by incorporating idioms and collocations in the short story, it will create the story more natural and of course more engaging for the second language learners. And the next one, it's time for us to translate the story because the story is completed already. That is why it's time for learning how to translate the story in the appropriate methods and procedures of translation. Well, in the methods and procedures of translation, we are going to learn how to approach the text and how to translate the text in the appropriate manner, especially in the comprehensible way and acceptable way in target language. And once we are equipped with the translation knowledge, we are going to jump into translating a short story for practice, and then we are going to follow it up with designing a picture book. So don't worry if you are not confident with your drawing skills or illustrating skills. We can always use the templates to support our project. Okay, so in this last module, which is module 6, we are going to learn how to design a picture book using a template that is available in the internet. So this micro-credential course at the end of the day is intended to provide you with a different perspective that creating a dual language, a picture book is not always challenging. It can be something easier as well as interesting. So everybody stay tuned, and I hope that you are looking forward to learning each module with me. I'll see you in each of the module. Enjoy!